In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WireGuard protocol in Brave VPN and verify your IP address using HMA. This might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily, even if you're not a tech expert. First things first, let's open up the Brave browser. If you haven't used Brave before, now's a great time to get accustomed to it, as it's known for its speed and privacy features, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to enhance their online experience. Once you have the browser open, direct your attention to the system settings. To do this, click on the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots in the upper right-hand corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled System. Go ahead and click on that. As you find yourself in the system settings, start scrolling down through the options. Keep an eye out for the section related to VPN settings. Here, you'll discover the setting for using the WireGuard protocol, specifically within Brave's VPN service. This protocol is one of the latest and most efficient in enhancing your online security and privacy. It's known for its speed and performance, so it's definitely a great feature to have turned on when you're browsing. Once you locate Use WireGuard protocol in Brave VPN, you'll need to toggle this option to the on position. This action activates the VPN, which is designed to protect your online activity by encrypting your internet connection. It's like having a secure tunnel for all your data. If you haven't used a VPN before, expect this step to give you an extra layer of privacy while you browse the web. With the VPN now activated, the next step is to head over to HMA, also known as Hide My Ass. HMA is a useful tool for verifying your IP address and ensuring that your VPN is working properly. Open a new tab in Brave and navigate to the HMA website. Once there, you'll likely find a search bar where you can type in, "What is my IP?" After running this search, you should receive information about your current IP address. Take a close look at the results. The IP address you see should be different from your actual original IP address, indicating that the VPN is indeed masking your online identity. This difference is confirmation that the WireGuard protocol, now running through Brave's VPN, is doing its job by routing your internet traffic through a secure server. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the WireGuard protocol in Brave VPN and verified your IP change with HMA. This setup not only enhances your privacy, but also ensures a faster and more secure browsing experience. Keep these steps in mind to maintain control over your online privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.